Long Dirty Toenails 2021. That's right. Long Dirty Toenails in 2021.
LDT.
I thought America had come a long ways. I mean, quite far. A good distance. But I was wrong. What did the blonde lawyer say about Mr. Arbery? She said he had LDT.
LDT.
Long, dirty toenails. But I thought this was the jogging while black trial. So what do you get when you have LDT?
LDT.
You get murdered. Murdered by gun-toting vigilantes. Vigilantes looking for LDT.
LDT.
Was Mr. Arbery wearing glass